you told her.
Thank you for joining us here tonight for a very special night. FUWAMOCO birthday party night! It's my birthday! It's my birthday! It's our birthday! If you're a little confused right now, that's okay because our birthdays are technically apart. Yeah. It's February 1st. And mine is on the 2nd. That's why today's concert is right in between though. Right in between, yeah. Well, you know, it's our first ever birthday live. So we want to have an especially fun time together. Hashtag FWMCBD25 right up here. And please put your thoughts and screenshots there. And then after everything, we'll go take a look at them after the live. Look at our stage! And you know, so cute. I think this here might be a little bit sweet too. Oh, sweet. Moko-chan, keep your paws off of them, okay? I'm not right now. Not yet. Moko-chan, you're gonna take care of the cleanup of the stage. Sapo-san will take care of it. Yeah, thank you. Demon roots. Very fluffy, fuzzy, and silly. But we're demon dogs, you know. Very hungry demon dogs. Please listen to our next song then. Kaibutsu. You a little bite of what these demon dogs have. Yeah. But we want to be able to show the rough fans lots of different sides of FUWAMOCO today, right? Right. This side. That side. But the next side, it's a challenging side, Moko-chan. It's gonna be a bit of a challenge, okay? You know, FUWAMOCO. We wanted to show a bit more of a thrilling side. A thrilling side. Maybe a bit more sexy. Sexy. Mokoko is sexy, right? Right. Do I hear your voice? Yeah? No. Yes. Well, I'll prove it to you, okay? Okay, Moko-chan, you're doing your best, okay? Yeah. To be able to do that, we've prepared some solo songs for you today. But you need to make sure to give me lots of head pats, okay? I like head pats too. Yeah. Okay. I'm too nervous right now. Okay, Moko-chan, let's decide who's gonna go. No. Huh? I choose now. What? Whoever goes first. On it. Yeah. Moko-chan, you have to go after though, okay? I guess. What are you gonna do otherwise? Huh? Mugon, iro-poi. Oh no! Mokoko's time to shine is ending! Well then, can you close your eyes for me? Hey! Why are you peeking? Gosh! Bye-bye! What did you think, Moko-chan? My performance of Mugon iro-poi, Moko-chan's Mariki! Moko-chan! Why did it have to be such an embarrassing song though? I thought it fit you perfectly, Moko-chan. It was good. Huh? Was it sexy? It was. It wasn't. Yeah, maybe we can work on that, Moko-chan. Well, maybe the first thing we can do for that is get some special lessons from a certain senpai. I think she must absolutely be the queen of sexiness. Let's call her on. Okay, Mighty Senju Senpai. Happy birthday. Kawaii. FUWAMOCOサンドです。FUWAMOCOサンド。先ほどのその曲どうだった？もこちゃんとなんかセクシーしてた？何見てるんですか？まあセクシー全体のスタイル。セクシー。 シー、モコセクシー、いやおちんちゃん、セクシー。モコちゃん、うちに。触っちゃダメですよ、先祖先輩。
なんでダメなの？なんでダメなの？なんで？
ダメって。
じゃあちょっとセクシーショットを今から撮っていきましょう。
オッケー。じゃあカメラ用意しますね。
お願いします。カメラカモン。はい。
帽子もらっちゃった。
おい、これ船長帽だぞ。勝手に被るな。バンバー。
セクシー？
いや、これセクシーじゃないね。はい、行きます。ローアングル。
ちょっと待って。
モコちゃん引っあ、モコちゃん、あれ、モコちゃん逃げてた。じゃあ、ほな、フワワもダメです。あ、ダメですか？ダメですか？
モコちゃんが考えるセクシーポーズって何？
確かに、見して。にゃー。にゃー。
何の練習あると思いますけど。3、2、1。
プルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプルプ
頑張った。
頑張った。か、いきましょう。あほい、我ら、報酬海賊団。
報酬海賊団出航。踊るアホイに見るアホイ。はいはい。神ちゃま、いつかこのフワモコを本物の海賊にしてください。サガ
姉ちゃん、パンチ何色？
シムシムショイ。みんなのヒーローオン。にゃージー。ヤコちゃんトロンボーン。オッケー。Put the foot of FUWAMOCO You know right. You can't just have war on one side and a me on the other, okay? That's not okay. Got it? Yeah, so that we have a flower version and a Mococo version. And here is the Mococo Dakimakura. Not the embarrassing. They're both embarrassing, but yeah. Moco-chan.